All right, solve 2 bracket 2x plus 5 equals 14. Yeah, some read this like 2 into x plus 5 equals 14. And whenever you see parentheses or brackets, okay, when you're solving for unknown like x or y or whatever variable you are given or asked to find its value, then you need to open brackets before you do anything else. Okay, in mathematics we open the brackets first, and I'll cover that if you don't understand that in details, maybe in future videos. So step 1 is to open the brackets. Now you've got this. Okay, so this is gonna be 2. The number outside the brackets is gonna multiply each term within the brackets. Okay, that means 2 times x plus 2 times 5. Okay, this is what you're gonna have, 2x then plus 5 times 2, that is gonna be 10, equals 14. Okay, please, these brackets, they are on the left side. Don't make a mistake and get this 2 then you multiply it to 14, because there is equal sign and they're not allowed to cross equal sign like that. Okay, many students, they fail also here because they get 2 times 14, and that is totally wrong. Okay, never do that. Okay, all right, so now here what we're gonna do, step 2, is actually to work on this number and take it the other side. Okay, because this is a number and this is also a number, so we have to put them on same side. What I'm gonna do, since this is a plus, yeah, plus 10, when it crosses equal sign, it's gonna be negative. Okay, so that means 2x plus 10 minus 10 equals 14 minus 10. Okay, you see, subtract 10 from both sides. All right, so 10 minus 10 is 0. So we're gonna have here 2x equals 14 minus 10. We're gonna have 4. Okay, what is the next step? Step 3. Okay, you're gonna divide both sides by 2. These 2. Okay, that is 2x divided by 2 equals 4 divided by 2, and here we are. Okay, so 2 is gonna be divided by these 2. We're gonna have 1, then x times 1, we're gonna have x on left, then 4 divided by 2, we're gonna have 2. I hope you're getting it. Okay, so the value of x is gonna be 2 from this one. And by the way, there is also another shortcut you can use to solve this. Yeah, you can divide both sides by 2, everything on the left by 2, then also divide everything on the right by 2. Then you're gonna have x plus 5 equals 14. Then you work on that, your answer is gonna be x equal to 2. Okay, but don't worry if you're not getting that. Use this method we have used of opening brackets, that is also allowed. Okay, and this is, I think this is more simple. Yep, so when you check here on the left side, you're gonna have, yeah, you can see it is 2 times x plus 5. So the value of x is 2. That means, yeah, so 2 plus 5 is gonna be 7. 7 times 2 is gonna be 14. 14, is it equal to 14? Yes. So the left side is equal to right side. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, when you check here, left, 2 into value of x, which is gonna be 2, plus we are having 2 plus 5. We are dealing with numbers in the brackets first. Okay, that is 7. 7, then you multiply by the number outside the brackets. Then we're gonna have 2 times 7, it's gonna be 14. Right side also 14. Hence our solution is correct. Let's go to question 10. Yeah, I hope you're getting it. I've made this video so that you can understand. Okay, so question 10, solve 3 brackets x minus 2 brackets equals 2 brackets x plus 4. Guys, I know many students, they fail here because they don't know what to do, they don't know where to start from. But this is how you deal with linear equation that is having brackets, okay? And remember, the highest power in this x is 1. That means this is a linear equation, okay? So first thing first, step 1, to solve questions like this, you need to open both brackets first, okay? Then 3 times x is gonna have 3x minus 3 times 2, 2 times 3 is the same. Then you're gonna have 6 equals 2 times, because here we are not changing any sign, guys, because this is after equal sign, this is before equal sign, okay? So 2 times x, we're gonna have 2x, 2 times 4, yeah, plus 2 times 4, we're gonna have 8. This is what we have. What is the next move or step? We have to put x on the left side, then numbers on the right side. Yeah, so first thing first, let's take this 2x to the left, okay? So subtract 2x from both sides, okay? So this is gonna be 3x minus this 2x minus 6 equals 2x plus 8 minus 2x here, okay? Then 3x minus 2x, what are we gonna get? Yeah, this is 3 minus 2, that is 1x, okay, which is this x, okay? Here there's a coefficient of 1, but no need to put it, since 1 multiplied by a unknown or any number, it remains that unknown, okay, which is x, equals 2x minus 2x, we're gonna have 0, 0 plus 8, that is 8, okay? So then when we reach here, we need to do an extra step, and as you can see at the sign we have x minus 6, this is a negative, and it's gonna cross equal sign, meaning it's gonna be positive. Memorize that, and practice makes perfect. You need to do many numbers as you can, otherwise you're gonna face some problems, because many students here, they fail because they forget that logic, okay? So step 3, add 6 to both sides. This 6, I'm adding it because, yeah, I wanna take it as a positive, okay, since it is crossing equal sign. So x minus 6 plus 6 equals 8 plus 6. Now you see it has changed the sign to positive. You get the idea, okay? So minus 6 plus 6, this is gonna give 0. So x plus 0, yeah, we have got x equals 8 plus 6, that is 14. So the value of x is 14, okay, from here. Now you get the idea. So our answer, or the solution to this problem or equation, is 14. Yeah. Now you can verify here. You're gonna be checking left side if it is equal to right side. Okay, so 3 into x, which is 14. 14 minus 2, that is 12 times 3. Yeah, you're gonna have the value. Let's go down here. Yeah, left side, that is 12 times 3, that is 36. Then right side, we've got 2 plus 2 brackets, the x which is 14 plus 4, that is 18 times 2. We're gonna have 36. Yeah, so the left side, it is equal to right side, hence our answer is correct. So the solution here, x is equal to 14. Let's go to question 11. Okay, question 11, solve x over 3 plus 2 equals 6. This is the same as reading it as x divided by 3 plus 2 equals 6. Now these are fractions, okay? How do we work on these? First thing first, we need to take this number to cross equal sign, okay? Because here we have got 6, here we got 2, and this is a positive, plus 2. When it crosses equal sign, negative. All right, so step 1, subtract 2 from both sides to move it from here to the right side, okay? So x divided by 3 plus 2 minus 2 equals 6 minus 2. So we're gonna have 2 minus 2. So x over 3 plus 2 minus 2, which is gonna give us 0. Yeah, this one is gonna cancel with this, and then equals, here it is 4. So we've got x divided by 3 equals 4. What are you gonna do when you have fractions like this and you're looking for the value of x? Step 2, multiply both sides by 3, because we multiply all numbers on the left side by the denominator or the number below, okay, which is 3. So this is what I'm talking about. X over 3 times 3 equals 4 times 3. Remember, what you do on the left side, you do it on the right hand side, okay? Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, this x, since it is below or under by a fraction or a denominator, then you're gonna have 3 divided by 3, we have 1. 3 here, we divide it, then you're gonna have 1. 1 times x, we're gonna have x. X is equal to 4 times 3. Yeah, you can do this on your calculator, then you're gonna have 12. Or if you can use your head, this is simple, 3 times 4, okay? Rather, this is very simple, 4 times 3, you're gonna have 12, okay? So our solution, or the value of x, is equal to 12. Let's check if our answer is correct, okay? Left side, you're gonna have x is 12 divided by 3, which x is 12 divided by 3, which is 4. 4 times, let's check and verify if our answer is correct. X over 3, which is 12 over 3, that is 4 plus 2, it is 6. Is it equal to right side, which is also 6? Yes. So our answer is correct. Yeah, this is where we are verifying it. Left, 12 by 3 plus 2 equals 4 plus 2, 6. Right side, 6. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, our solution or answer is correct. All right, let's go to question 12. So question 12, solve x divided by 2 plus x divided by 3 equals 5. So now you can see we've got fractions, okay, and they are all containing on the numerator variable x, okay, and the denominator or the numbers below are not the same, 2 and here is 3. What are we gonna do? Okay, what you're gonna do is to first get the denominator, and here it is 2 and 3, you multiply them, we're gonna have 6. So that number we've got, you multiply it throughout, okay, you multiply it to left side all terms, then also on the right side all the terms, okay? So this is what I'm talking about. Step 1, multiply everything by 6, okay, here. So that is 6 times, you put it in brackets to know which operation you will deal with first. So I'm going to have 6 times x over 2 plus 6 here times x over 3. You cross these brackets, okay, equals 5 times 6, okay? 6, it is from 2 times 3, right? I hope you're getting it. So what I'm gonna do here, we deal with the brackets first, and we do such problems, we deal with them from left going to right, okay? So 6 divided by 2, we're gonna have 3x, okay? Because here we're gonna have 6 divided by 2, we're gonna have 3. 3 times x, because it is in the bracket, we're gonna have 3x plus 6 times x over 3. So 6 divided by 3, we're gonna have 2. 2 times this inside the brackets x, we're gonna have 2x, which is here, equals 5 times 6, that is equals 6 times 5, that is 30. Okay, right here. So 3x plus 2x equals 30. Then what I'm gonna do is the next step is to add like terms. This term has got x and this term has got also x. That means we add them. We call these ones terms by the way. Okay, so this is the step. Step 2, add like terms. That is 3x plus 2, that is 5x right here. Okay, then to find the value of x, we're gonna go for step 3. Divide both sides by this number, which is 5. Okay, so 5x divided by 5 equals 30 divided by 5. This is what I'm talking about on step 3. 5x divided by this 5 is gonna divide by this 5. We have 1x. Okay, equals 30 divided by 5. In other words, which number can you multiply by 5 to get 30? That is 6. Okay, or you can do this on your calculator, guys. So our solution, x is equal to 6, and we can check and verify that from here. Yeah, so get x plus left side, that is x over 2 plus x over 3, and then you find the solution. It must give 5. Let's check. Yeah, we've got this. The value of x is 6, so 6 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by 3, we're gonna have here 6. We deal with the left going to right. Okay, don't do the opposite. So 6 divided by 2, it is possible you're gonna have 3 plus 6 divided by 3, you're gonna have 2. So 3 plus 2, that is 5. Okay, so right side we've got also 5. Hence our solution is correct, or the answer is correct.